Cinnamon is one of the most used spices all around the world for centuries. There was a time when it was used as a currency. It's the satisfying aroma and pleasant taste, making it a part of numerous cooking recipes, especially in baking and curries. It is collected from the inner bark of the evergreen tree. Farmers first peel the outer bark and then shave off the inner bark of the trees. Then these are laid in sunlight for drying. These dried herbs are rolled and transformed into sticks and known as cinnamon sticks. Many health benefits are proved scientifically and medically related to cinnamon, but we can cover a few of them in this video. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a considerable amount of polyphenol antioxidants. The antioxidants in cinnamon have an anti-inflammatory effect which aids in protecting the body from various diseases. It assists the body in fighting against infections and repairs damaged tissues. It is assumed that the warmth of cinnamon escalates blood flow and improves blood oxygen levels. Hence, it is beneficial in fighting off illness. Number 2. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. The main active component of cinnamon is cinnamolidate. Its antifungal properties help effectively in treating respiratory tract infections. It prevents the formation of certain bacteria like Salmonella and Listeria. It also possesses antimicrobial properties which helps in fighting tooth decay and avoids bad breath. Number 3. Regulation of blood sugar levels and lipids. Research on its benefits reveal that it has restrained influence in improving glycemic control. It has a minor effect in reducing the risk of factors associated with diabetes and cardiovascular activities. Although these diseases have multifactorial backgrounds, the inclusion of cinnamon in the diet reduces the risk of diseases. It boosts glucose metabolism in diabetic patients with its hypoglycemic effects. It curbs blood sugar levels by lowering insulin resistance. An experiment was conducted on a group of people who consumed 6 grams of cinnamon for 40 days and found cut cholesterol levels. However, one must be careful while consuming this spice with liver problems because a large amount may take them to worse conditions. Number 4. Boosts cognitive functions. Studies suggest that cinnamon is incredibly beneficial in improving brain health. It enhances the form of memory and learning capabilities. It deals with stress and blood sugar levels and thus promoting the functions of the brain brilliantly. Intake of cinnamon makes a chemical within the body which is called sodium benzoate. It encourages neurons to create more dendritic spines, which aid in making new connections and form memories. Number 5. Helpful in digestion. In both Eastern and Western medicine, cinnamon extract has been used to lessen gastrointestinal problems for years. It is sometimes described as a carminative for its distinguished digestive and antimicrobial features. In Ayurvedic medicine, oil extracted from the cinnamon bark is used to treat turgidity and digestive imbalance. It is extensively helpful to improve digestion, heartburn, and gastric problems. Number 6. Helps in weight loss. It is used to alleviate digestive systems. It reduces hunger cravings by munching a small portion of it. Cinnamon sticks are used as a part of a hot drink. These are effective for weight loss. For this purpose, it might be ground and transformed into powder, or maybe the whole stick is boiled in water. Adding honey and lemon to this tea gives it an excellent taste. Conclusion. Summing up all the benefits mentioned above, it is concluded that cinnamon is a healthy and beneficial spice. It possesses many advantages and can be taken in various forms within a moderate amount.